Uh-oh. See what happened? This is a good example. I sewed the wrong side. Remember I told you when you nest them together, you have to know which side to sew? I sewed the wrong side. I was either supposed to sew this side or this side. So you just pull a stitch, pull it, loosen some more. I do this with cotton. Now if I'm doing something sturdier, I can just run the seam ripper right down it. But if I did that with this fabric, I would be tearing it. It's too delicate to do it that way. Okay. Comment below how many blocks you messed up. And if you did mess up any, don't lose heart. I've been doing it for almost 20 years, and look at me. I messed up.